Hello everyone, this is Vasurai from PCS Global. So in this course, I'm going to teach you like how to approach various logic for a problem. Like as you already know, like what's going on industry, what's going on in a real time. So everyone is struggled to get a job. Even I am struggled also to get a job. So, what companies are like any person in a company they are searching means a person should have like a problem solving skills. So, where we get that big, we get the problem solving and those logic building only if we practice any scenario based problem daily. It's not it's not like that means if you practice continuously 7 days after that 1 month, if you skip that, it's not going to help you. So I'm going to tell you like what are upcoming videos, what are contents it will cover. Like as you already know, what are platforms are like all all the problems are given by which are all platforms. So I'm going to cover all basic questions like a platform like LeetCode, HackerRank, as well as Geeks for Geeks, and those problems I'm going to solve with you. As well as I have given a lots of interview. I know like what are questions they're going to ask for freshers. So I'm going to cover those problems also. So it will help you for cracking your interview. So, in this course structures, you like problem solving mindset means any problem means you should not panic. So you should think like how that problem is there. So once you understand the problem means then you can go through it means you have to really understand the problem, then only you can solve the problem. So first go through the problem and just crack it means you have to split it. So one content will be there, for that which logic I should use, and other content will be there, for that which logic should I use. After that you have to wind up all the logic and come up with a very efficient code. Then only a company will hire you means they want like excellent person. They don't in a fresher also nowadays they are looking for an excellent coder so that he can come up with any many various solutions. So in this course I will cover like a medium level, easy level, as well as I will try to touch advanced level also. So, like any problem, we should think carefully. It's not like seeing a problems. I don't know. I don't care. Let's solve this problem. Let's skip it. It's not like that. Even if you don't know, also keep try it. Give it a try. Who knows? If you're lucky, means you get output also. That's why. So that's it. You go through it and you'll take a watch the videos. I'm not saying like you gonna crack MNC companies by watching my videos. It's not like that. I'm sure like if you watch my videos and even practice daily, you going to crack any basic company interview. That's for sure. Thank you everyone.